Alright, yesterday was Fired Up Friday. Today is Shuffle Saturday, and we need to move vehicles from side to side. I need to get working back on the Alfa Romeo Spider. So that means the TR250 needs to go to the right side, and the Alfa needs to come to the left side and be put up on jack stands. So we're going to do a little shuffling around to make that happen. Alright, it's a little chilly this morning. It's only about 5 degrees Celsius out. That's about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to see if this thing will start with only 2 chokes hooked up on the triple Webers. That'd be nice if I didn't have to add the third choke cable. So let's see how it goes. Okay, good to know it'll run on 2 chokes. It's running a little rough, still needs to be tuned, but it's running. Alright, let's see how the Alfa does on a very cold start. That's pretty good. A little quieter than the 250. Alright guys, just coming up to about 5 p.m. and we've accomplished what we wanted to do. We've got the TR250 on the right side of the garage. We got the Alfa Spider on the left hand side of the garage. I consider the left side the working side as it's closer to the toolboxes. It's open to the garage opening as opposed to me having to move a trailer to be able to get something out of the right hand side. So the hope is at some point, once we get the tires on it, we can actually get it out and, well, obviously we got to get the interior and the seats back in, but the intent obviously is to do some test driving in it as well, so we want to make sure we can get it out of the garage, so that's why it's on the left hand side. It's on a little bit of an angle, so I can get both doors open wide as we are doing the interior. I want to be able to make sure that I can get both doors swung wide open without running into anything, so we've left room so it won't hit the 250 and it won't hit the wall on the left hand side. So that's good, and we've just got it up on stands ready to go. Another good thing about today, I did make the trek to the mailbox. I did get the email saying that the parts were in, so we've got our new Vredestein Quadtrac 5 tires. ready to go. So we'll get those installed. And more importantly, from a timing perspective, we got our carpet set in from World Upholstery. So haven't unpacked it yet. I took sort of a quick peek in the corner of the box and it's looking good. That is the saddle, if I remember correctly. So yeah, we'll get that unpacked and have a look at it and see how many parts and pieces are going to be to fit. I doubt there will be any sort of installation guide, so that's why I've kept the old molded carpet so we can actually kind of figure out where the pieces are going to go once we get around to installing that. So things are situated where they need to be. I'm just going to cover up the 250, so out of sight, out of mind for a couple of weeks anyway, while we resume working on the Alfa Romeo Spider. I've got a delivery date of about the end of May for this, so we're trying to work on this to get this completed, and then we can move on back to the 250 and play with some of the other Triumphs as well. Alright, that's it for now, guys.